Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano Shell. Um, yeah, it's been a few days since I've streamed. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit sick, so that is partially why. So I have worked on it a little bit. So big changes, right? Now it is scrolling, right? So you can type stuff and it will scroll. So that is very helpful. I'm gonna go into how I did that actually, because that's something I had to do some research to figure it out. Um, yeah, it's a different way than how it's handled in Kano. And I might actually do something similar in Kano, actually, because it's pretty cool, and it's something I didn't know about. There's no, like, scrolling up yet, so I need to detect the mouse wheel, so I'll need to figure out how to do that. I might work on that today after a few other things. But basically, the way it works, so we initialize here, we create a pad, right, so that's what it's called, so I can show that. Ncurse's pad, new pad, so it's basically, um, a buffer where everything's stored, and then we can render certain parts of it. Let's see. Yeah, so we write to this pad instead of to the main window. And then, yeah, we enable the keypad and all that stuff as well. And then we display, right here, we display, and we have the height and width that we want to display on the main window. And then as well as the top row. So that's the row that we start at, basically. And then we iterate that as it goes down, things like that. So to do scrolling, we just basically change this number, because that's sort of the row where it starts at, right, to render. If that makes any sense at all. But yeah, that basically allows for scrolling, which is quite cool, right? Um, yeah. In Kano, I just render it normally, but then I take a look at the current line that we're on, and then we have a rendering line. It's a bit more complicated, so this might be, I might look into this, changing Kano. It might not be worth it though, I'm not sure exactly. But it might be more performant to do it that way. But yeah, so to do the scrolling, we just have to detect the mouse wheel going up and down, and then change the top row based on that. Yeah, so that's what I've worked on. And then also, I guess I haven't shown in a while. So Sigma made a pull request. I think I can show it here. Pull request. And yeah, so there was a few things in there. So basically, make file now, and then also split into different files as well. There's the main.c file, the REPL.c, and then the Kano sh.h file. And yeah, some other things like that. So that's very cool. Right. Yeah, so today there's a few things I want to work on. The first thing, it'll be pretty simple, just a history command. So, there is some stuff that goes into it, like options and arguments, so we'll get to that. But first, just history, right? So when you do history on a shell, just displays the command history. So that's what I like to do, because we do have it saved. It's not saved in a file, right? Like the bash one, you have the bash history. I think it's right here, right? Bash history. And that has the history of all your commands, right? We'll probably do that in the future, but I'm not going to write to the file yet, because just more files. I don't need that at the moment. It's just stored in memory, right? So as we're running it. So I don't remember if it's in here. Where the history. Well, actually, it's command haze. Like that. Yeah. So we have the count there. And we iterate it. Depending on things. So there's some leaking that goes on here when you go up. Man 3 history. Why do that? Yeah. Okay. I do not think I need this. Because I'm making a shell, right? So that's what this is. That's what this is for. So I was looking at how the history command works. So yeah, we have that. Might be defined in the main file, so I'll look at that. Wait, I want to see what's initialized. Yeah, we have that here. So strings, just basically a dynamic array like this. So we just continuously append to it. Right, so it could be stored in a file, so I'll look into that in the future. But basically, if we just have a history command, so that's gonna, the commands are handled in the main file. So I'll have this one put in the main file. Execute command. So if, gotta go here. So I will make probably a function for each. So I'll have a separate one, which is like the built-ins, built-in.c file, something like that, for all the built-in commands. There's gonna be quite a few. But this will be one of them. So arg0 is history. Right, so for now, no arguments yet. Is this okay? Let's see. So we need to basically just display all of history. So we can just iterate over. So we don't really have that, but it's in the REPL, right? You up here. So that's a structure basically, which I can show. There's no source file. I will need to set that up eventually. The REPL switches that structure, so it has, if it's currently running, this is the buffer that we write things to, that gets displayed. This is the current line, this is the command history, and that is the current input. Reply command history. So the count, we'll just iterate over that, and then we'll just print it out. So we can sort of do it just like that. W print REPL buffer line 0. I could even do like this, I think. Line plus plus. And then yeah, we just want to print out the command. And does it have a number? It does have a number, so we can print the number along with it. What? Yeah, that's not what we need. So we need the and history.data I, and that's it. Okay. Hello, Sigma. How you doing? What's up? Just I. Yeah, that should pretty much work, I think. And I'm missing. Made a school project public, so you can check it. Okay. I cannot access it. Hang on, it says settings. So yeah. There we go. Yes. Mini shell W. Start. Alright, I will look at that for sure. Is this how much stuff is in here? Let's see. Env exit, okay. Built-ins. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Alright, yeah, I'll read through that. Never finished it, but it's there. W. Very cool. Yeah, I'll look at that. Probably will be helpful for this. The issue is, wait. I forgot to do that. Okay, yeah, so that is a string. So we need to do that, should make a then use that. So we need integer of command.count, and then command data as well. See, I think it's like that, but it might be the other way actually. I don't remember. I think you might want to grab some cool stuff from it. Yeah, for sure. Alright, so it does not print the... I think this might be the wrong one. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's trace that. So there we go. So yeah, that is the command history. It just prints it out, right? So there is some arguments that go along as well. Oh yeah, I did implement scroll, by the way, so that works now, right? So it can scroll. So that's cool. I do need horizontal scrolling. Like, I don't know why it cuts off there, so I need to look at that. It does this, but then it overwrites that because of how it's handled. So I need to work on that, and I will. Thank you for following. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this mini shell though, so maybe I will clone that, perhaps. Hey, how are you? I am doing well. How are you? Yeah, okay, I cloned it. We're good. Be good. Shell. Okay. Wait, can I build it? Okay. Alright, and then... Nice, nice. You try Ziglinch. I have tried it. Not... It wasn't my favorite. I only used it, one time, I think. I think I did, like, 2 streams on it, perhaps. To make a small thing. I don't remember what it was exactly. Make debug. Okay, yeah. Make debug. Yeah. Do you daily stream? I try to, but I don't really at the moment. I haven't streamed for a few days at this point. I've been sick, so that is why. WW. That doesn't work. Debug bin is called the. Oh shoot. Okay, that makes sense. There we go. Okay. How your stream is going? It's going good. Going good. I'm looking at a project right now by Sigma right there. Okay, cool. That's cool. Sorry, there's water running. Okay, let's see. See, 3 characters. W. To do. Okay. Found 1 arguments. Let's run the ls command. Searching through that. No, what the heck? Okay. Zoom in ls. Alright, W. So this just executes the from there. Okay, I see. Nice to hear. Yes, for sure. Okay, cool. That's a lot of information. Where are you from? The United States. Nice, use that. So what about okay, yeah, let me look at that. So that's cool. The debug thing. I like that. Source. Look, the code is quite clean. Yes, of course it is. You are very good at that. Let's see. Shell, REPL, W. Let's see. There's the main.c. I'll start there. See that many arguments. Okay, I see. Yeah, so what was the function called? So, shell reference, that's gonna be here. Yeah, so I see this is structured quite similarly. What other work do you do besides streaming? In quotes. Interesting. None right now. I'm working on it though. Okay, yeah, so initialize and then that stuff. Yes, that's similar. Initialize. Right, okay. Turn true, right. And then reline. It is TTY, do that. Get line. Okay. Received that. Right, let's look at the commands. The command execute. And patches that weren't that great. Worked for streamers and YouTubers. Cool. I'm not interested in something if that's what you're saying. Command execute. Command pre-check. Found, okay. Or permission denied, right? Okay, yeah, so fork and then right, so that is if it's 1, set status, okay. Exec VE, okay. Graphic designer, I do make. Okay, yeah, cool. I'm not interested. QLD printf, is that? Okay, that's in the quell thing. Cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let me look at the built-ins. Alright, so can I show you some of my work? I'm good, thank you though. Too many arguments. Okay. Built-in CD is really complete. Alright, nice, nice. I can see it. It's quite a bit. It's only 70 lines. It looks like more. Yeah, okay. It is very well written for sure. Uh, like dense. I mean, one path to resolve that. Right, so resolve the path and then move to dir. Previous and buff. Like, what is the return value? I don't know. 0 is return, otherwise negative. Okay, yeah. So this is it's an error. I see. Previous directory. Okay. Let's prev. All right, and then error stop. Okay. That's good. I need to implement that as well. Yeah, different errors. Okay. All right. Yes, that is good. And then exit. There we go. Mm-hmm. Fashion syntax is running. Right. Parse LL. Yes, that's like the number. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. It's not too much there. Right. Yes, I'll read through this as well off the stream. Like read through the whole thing, figure out how it all works. Uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's just that. Built-in list. How do you execute? That is just the list. Okay. I see. I didn't read it's a header file. Okay. Pictures. Okay. Well, and is that like, mm, right? So this is just like different functions, right? Like wrapper functions. Okay. Yes. Pictures equals text. Yeah. Okay. I realize that. Shell. Yeah. I didn't look at that one. Oh, that's the header file. Never mind. Pipe execution. Close your library because we only have only, right. Only some authorized. Yeah, I remember. I remember that you said that. Uh, mm, so how's the get back to this one? Yes, you just write. Yeah. Do the debug one. So I didn't read through this stuff. So this is okay. To do right. Can you do that? Okay. Right, because it's just the binary echo. It's the n. Oh, n. Okay, I see. Right. Is it set here? Show 2 is very basic. Couldn't do the 42sh. What does that mean? 42sh. 42sh. Yes, it's very good though. I'm not gonna steal stuff, but I will read through it and be inspired by it. 42sh is the real big project. Ooh, okay. Yes, I'll probably take some stuff from the built-ins. Like the end one. Right, I need to, yeah. Yeah, so I will read through it. Read through it for sure, and then take notes. I want to work on history. Well, yeah, there is no history. Why is it not work? That is interesting. Does it not append it to the, wait, what? Why would it do that? Doesn't get appended. Echo, okay, yes. Owl, this is going on siege. So true. So true, Stan. Echo. Oh no, you meant out of it. Okay. It's over for your reputation. So true. And lunch. Oh yeah, I need to right there we go. I put not ls. Cosplaying that guy. Okay. Did I do that right? So it outputs it. Ignore the whole environment, then we set path link. Okay. Right. I want to work on the side, right? So I don't know why it does this. The width's not set right. You can also do nested ends because you over engineer that built in. W. That just means more stuff I can read through, right? That's pretty cool. That's good usage as well. Very informative. Big W project. It's all very like compact, well written. W built in. Yeah, so the scrolling. I don't know why the width is set to that. I should output what it is. See how many feeds he has. How many Alex are there even? Core Utos and usage. 3 of them. And then the Alex, so it's not. It's called. Called it that. Yeah, not much gets allocated. Right, yeah, I want to see what the width is here. Let me let's print to there. 0 there. I think Y goes first. Just want to print out the what it is in this case. Alex stats. Is that a command? No, it's not. So what is it? Oh, it's in your repo. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yeah, I think I remember you saying something about this in the Discord. Let's see where it go. There we go. Honey mallet to remove from your program. W. Yeah, so print every allocation column. Very small library that counts mallocs. Yes. Funny comment there. I will see what that says. Or is it in the... Wait, is that not what it's called? It's called freeway. Is it this comment? So check the Valkyrie. Let me check it's done at exit. In order to avoid this, they provided a routine called Speeding to make libc release all memory it has allocated. I do not. Memory for its own usage. Usually it doesn't bother to free that memory when the program ends. Be no point since Linux kernel reclaims all process resources. Right. Basically, it does not free unless you ask Kami. Yeah. Interesting. It was from the Valgrind docs. I didn't read that part. Very cool. I didn't know that. Hey, what do I have to... Funny comments and tags. Why does it not work? Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's why. It does have ls. Like to. Wait, it says, am I spelling it wrong? Stats. So. Yeah, let me, close some stuff here. Oops. Can't be preloaded. Why can it not? Wait, am I doing it wrong? Is an issue with my uh check the flip. Mm, install. Basically, wait, this, but it doesn't have the did not create this with the make file. I don't know. Right, so this creates that. Where is Alec? Stats. Oh, it's right there. Build shared lib. Yeah, I don't know what that means exactly. Why can I not open a file? Library. Oops. Wait, what? How do you set that? Like, what is it supposed to be? Just dot. Okay. Mm. Did you set? I forget how it works. Okay. Sound about right. I'm doing it wrong. You do it like that, okay. Yes, I always forget. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Yes, nope. Let me copy this again. Nope. This one. A lot of stuff open now. Okay. Does it output it? So wait, where's it supposed to output it at? Does it not allocate? Is that what it is, or? I'm probably doing something very wrong, and that's why it doesn't work. And then it's just not obvious. Here, let's see what we can do. Okay. Why does it not work for LS then? It works for this though, so that's cool. Uh, what happened? Well, can't really do it with that. That's weird. That is very weird. I'm a little confused. Yes, I do have an alias set. Here. Okay, I reset it, so now it's not gonna work. So it doesn't work. Uh, doesn't look different. Just make sure. Yeah, but it should just be the regular GNU LS. That is weird. Why does it do that? Hello, Pra. How you doing? Who you be? I know I'm confused. And a very funny LS. How do you pull the K out? When it can't open the file, it doesn't free everything, it seems. That's a problem. LS. Thought you were human. Should work for most binary. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't work for LS. That's very weird. Okay. What's something else? That's a cool program, though. W program. Star, for sure. So process it, so make spam. What does that mean? What do you mean make spam? No, bro, no, Pra's not human. Everyone knows this. Try to make. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, shoot. Okay. I see what you're saying. That's the other one. Hang on. Shh. Shh. To put. What is to put? What? Oh. I didn't know about that. Okay. Shh. Shh. Make nothing to be done for all. Make. Excuse me. Like that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah. That's very cool. That's a lot of stuff, though. Cob. As verbose equal to 1. Okay. What? Nix? I'm not using Nix. As verbose equals 1. Okay. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. Let's do that so it's not as much. Fat Valgrind, but Nix. It is a, we can look at it here. It's public. It is Sigmar. It's his project. That's a lot of stuff. going. Can I redirect it? Is it continue down? Nope. How many lines? 5,000. Okay. That's a lot of stuff. Sigma. Stam is Sigma male. Where is the... CSH, 14 million relics. Bruh. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. That's a cool project. I will move that. Move out. Mallocation, true. Okay. Wanna do this now. I wanna work on what was the width? Can I look at it? So I have right, 139. Why is it 139? But then it cuts off at less than 139. So is that handled somewhere? You guys say P-Tex has a lot of mallex. Bruh, how many does it have? You should run it on that and tell me what the result is. Width, and the width is past here. Llama. Lama. Run on that. That'd be cool, actually. I might try that. I have to set it all up again, though. Let me make sure it, okay, yeah, so it's set up. So let me try on Portal. It's just ePortal, I think, right? Release. Wait, oh yeah, wait. I always forget. Unfind lock. Oh shoot, so I can't find it. Okay, so I need to do that differently. Get pull first. Okay, let me. Is that even gonna work? It calls to C code, right? So that's why. Pull that. Okay, and then I'll go build this. All right. Should only take about 2.5 hours. Best compile times true. So Rust supposed to have its own function that calls syscalls. Malloc is not the syscall. True. But the C code it calls to is, right? Uses malloc. C abstraction with its own syntax. True. Everything's actually fake. It's all C. It always has been. There's no not C. Alright, let's see if I can do this. So I don't know if it's gonna work. File style. Is that from ePortal? Seems to not be. Sigma explained. It's in a root folder. Alright, do I have to run it like that? Is that what it is? There we go. Okay, W. Now we're cooking. Oh, it's cooked. Alright, just for a second. Let's see. Wow, what the heck? What the heck? Should I do this? That's gonna be crazy. How many is that? 2 million? What the heck? Run it on PTEX. I'll look at that. I'll look at that. But what is this, bro? Make sure to pull the latest version. I will. That's crazy. 3 million almost? Is that right? Yeah. What the heck? That's a lot of stuff. Alright, let's see if I can play PTEX. I do have it. PTEX. There we go. Yeah, get pull. I haven't pulled it in a while, so. Is there a make file? Yes, W pro. I almost said stamp. Build PTEX. W? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, W. Alright. No, don't say it. Alright. Let's do that. So that, and then we just want, get a new toy. True. PTEX, PTEX is older than Kano, actually. Am I stupid? Oh, what? How did I get here? Alright, quit. No. That's not too bad, actually. 100% free, W. Mm. What? We out. How much did Kano get? Let me try Kano again. Because I don't remember. Not, oh yeah, I have to make file first. Because there's a bug right now. We cannot create files. What the heck? I was trying to output stuff. Okay. What the heck? There's some memory leaks, perhaps. Yeah. Why is it like that? Test running brain. That's just increases, maybe. Yeah, true, it does mess up that, but memory leak. I mean, actually, I could redirect it though, right? And it won't be yet. Okay, W. Can you use more memory than PTEX, but use less outlet calls? Anno bloated though, low key. Okay, move out, and then Brave. I could do Brave. That's gonna be interesting. Here, let me do. I want to open that one web page. Hang on. This one. Is it gonna work? I should redirect that over actually. Let's do that. It does not work. Okay. W. Not Chrome. I think I have Chrome installed. Or Firefox. Man, there's a lot of stuff. Can you use more memory? Just use an array to store array of characters. Imagine using an array to store an array. Great. That doesn't work. Okay. Maybe you can't open that. That's what Sigma promised. Yeah, okay, that doesn't work. Yo, Firefox works, W. Alright, what do we have? Let's look. Alright, wait a second. That's not too bad. What the heck? Don't like linked list. They have some issues. Okay, there we go. Less than ePortal. Evolution portal. W Firefox. It's the only one that works. Dynamic array of a dynamic array. Bro, is that how it's stored? It's stored like that? Mm. That's how Kano used to be. Yeah, say the least. It's a little. Let me do that ZSA Jackson. I'm gonna try that. This is just completely off topic, but that's okay. Doesn't work. That do I not have ZSA? Oh, I don't have it. Okay, W. But it gets redirected, so it's not working. If I don't do that. W. Yes, and it copies each time, bro. Yeah, Kano used to be like that. I remember. That was problematic. Now it's just a single array, and then it stores the lines, like in an array of, right. There's one array, and that's where the whole buffer is, and then it only knows how to format it because the lines are stored as well. Yes, and that's been much more efficient. ptext is a 2D array, but Kano is not. That's not too bad, Not too bad. I have a fish shell as well. How's that? How's that gonna look? Flatpak, bruh. Wait, is it Flatpak? Is that what it is? Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm getting Windstrap. Let's get back. I want to do the width thing. Linked list will improve the realloc rates by a lot. It's just gonna use more memory, right? Rendering system is already better than Kano. True. The rendering kinda sucks, not gonna lie. Linked lists are kinda boring. True. Alright. Why is it eliminated? That's what I wanna know. That's what I wanna know. So why does it do that? Why does it do that? What is the deal? From the parent bash. What does this mean? We do each time you want to access the line, bro. Why is the length, or why does it do that, Cuts it off. Instead of rows 69, you have to loop over double linked list 69 times, bruh. Macro time. When it's displayed, it does that. Is it because of something to do with this? The buffer, am I sending that wrong? Oh shoot, that's the wrong, is that the wrong way? Number of lines. Yeah, I think I need to do that the other way, actually. Is that what the issue is with that? Yes. There we go. Okay, so that works. Still need to handle this properly, right? Because it overwrites that. It needs to be to a new line when it goes past that. Banpro, true. So yeah, when we're inputting it, if the size is greater than that, we just want to change the line basically, and that's all, I think. We can set the position back to 0. See warnings catching everything. True. GCC. Yeah, warnings are good. Very good. If it's greater than the then line plus plus, and then also position 0. I do that. It might not work because NFC does a lot of melons. Yes, because then it starts printing that out. That's not quite gonna work. It's gonna be a bit more complicated. I'm gonna AFK for 2 seconds and I'm getting banned. Yes. I think I might want to. Should I change stuff? I did add the history plate. I will, oh, it's quite yet. I don't know if it actually works like that. What? Why did it do that? What's that all about? Yeah, why did it do this? That just completely destroyed that. Oh, shoot. I think I'm stupid. Yeah, we'll just, let's pretend that didn't happen. Don't look in the git history commit thing. That might be bad. We don't talk about that. I'll fix it later. What is this? You have to see the amount of memory Emacs uses. Is this the amount of memory that Emacs uses? Emacs has a lot going on. What is this? I'm not reading all that. If. So we still need that, right? We need the. Whoops. Then we need to. Well, we do need to do this, right? And then we need to set position equal to 0. But then we don't want to print this out each time. So we need to change that. Oh, we also need to adjust this, right? So if the command count is greater than width minus the length of that, like that. Implement arena allocated trees or linked list. The arena allocated trees would probably be more interesting. Yeah, see, it prints that error every time, so that's a problem. That is a problem. So we need to adjust the rendering based on that. So if it's not, we just print that out. But otherwise, we want to print just the command. Copies that, yes. W. Arenas are also a really good idea. True, W arenas. Right. Trying to think now. So I didn't think about that. It's not good enough. We also need to do it each time. Each time it passes that. To handle it properly. Right. Whoops, I don't want to do that. Now this is gonna mess up the rendering, right? Yeah, just like I thought. Arena allocated trees are the only way in Rust. See better. True. Foul. Absolutely foul that you would use Rust. Imagine. This is some weird looking Rust code. W. And doesn't print anything, so we want to print it still. Yeah, I'll be right back. But memory links, true. I'll be right back, and then I will figure it out. And we're back. Okay. Let's see. Makes sense. The break program. Funny if Malik leaked memory somehow, bruh. Change the code of that project to delete his root directory, bruh. Too late. Too late. Had to work faster. Yeah. So I'm thinking, we can do it like this because it prints it out properly. Let's have to iterate the line by the correct amount. So what if I do that? Send it after I came. Yeah, too slow. Too slow, Stan. Gotta get good. So what if here we iterate it? Where is it? On the enter key. So what if we do line? No, line plus equals. May not count. Divided by width. Something like that. I don't think that's quite right. I think we need to adjust it, but no. See, that doesn't quite work. GDB go true. WGDB. Add control KYAE shortcuts. Okay. What do they do? Oh, it cuts everything after the cursor. W. Oh, I see. I didn't know about those. Here, wait, let me add issues for all of these. Well, I just add it all to one. So control. Let's see. I'll just type it out the same way you did. Let's see. K. That's everything. So that's a W. I'm gonna use these now. I didn't know that they were a thing. Paste. Paste. Content. Is it paste the clipping or control control E deletes your root directory? True. A goes to start and E goes to end. Okay. Start, E go to end. Is it okay? Yeah, something like that. W. Thank you. I didn't even know about those. That's a W. That's cool, actually. Control R is the magic reverse history. Really? I can edit there. Reverse history? What does that mean? Or rev. Wait. I'm assuming that's reverse. Try it. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay. Just like search. Oh. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'll add that as well. W. That one's gonna be interesting. And it broke everything. W. Control E. Emacs goated actually. Emacs the best. Venmo to shell. How? Is that right? What is that? Visual select, yeah. What's that? W. Okay, so that's not right. Wait, what is the... Why stupid? Do um the C element, the higher amount. We can just do okay, W. And what if I say it's smaller? Like that. Let's make a few lines. There we go. Okay, so that works. W is. And the width should be, doesn't resize, so that's a thing as well. And that didn't work. Because the width is actually different when it gets it, but we don't change it. Magic equation W. So we get the width each time, but then we don't change that. What do we have to change it actually? It should change. Which I don't know. So, if I output the width, and I could try it, see how it looks. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Do it like this. So it does change. But then we are still constrained. Because we need to, yeah, we need to change the size of the pad. So how do we do that? Yeah, so we set the new pad, but then how do we change it? Look maybe in keypad. Resize. I'm looking it up as well. Oh, can I use W resize? Okay. Chris function have the worst names. ASCII codes are some W. Yeah, can I use W refresh then? So if how do we detect resize? I forget how you do that. Yeah, so I can use W resize. Is term resize. So can I check that? Imagine using anchors in 2023. True. I can't imagine it being 2023. Is term resize. How do we use that? 2024. Yes, that's different. Imagine. I can't imagine. I think there's actually a key that we can check. Key beside. Yeah, what if I use that? Size. Then we can just duplicate size to the new size. I'm going to make a shell out of BT100 codes. W. And you did not. Computer terminal. So, first terminal to support that. W. I did not know about this. The real terminal they all try to emulate. Ooh, okay, okay. I don't know a lot about terminals, so that's pretty cool. Cool knowledge. Okay, does not work. It's first. Has the ASCII sequences built in. So can you make like, how does it work? Do you use like an emulator for it, or do the escape codes, are they the same? You know that, yeah. Yes, indeed. Okay, W, it looks like it works out. Like that's obviously, doesn't quite work. Find this, go there. Oh, okay, yes, that works. Very cool. Horizontal. How is this? Not really scrolling. Something like that. The VT100 is a physical machine. They're literally coded in the circuitry. Right, okay. I have it here, the Wikipedia. I should learn more about the history of terminals. PDF of the VT100 manual. W? Can you download it? Like the user guide, like this? Is it this? W? Your version like the real manual. Ooh, okay. This? Yes, this W. Very cool. Close some of this stuff. I have too much stuff. Search. Some ASCII codes. W ASCII. So the color of your PDF is inverted. That might have the dark reader anyway. Yeah, like this. And then it's flashbang. Mm. Mm-hmm. Very cool. Cool stuff. Anchor's function just to wrap around those ASCII chips. Right. Yes, I get that. I understand how that works to an extent. Like pressing on the in there. Okay. Uh, Pretty cool. Kind of bright when it's like that. Uh, could implement the A and E pretty easy. Perhaps I could do that. Linux TTY is also a VT100 emulator. W? So it's like exactly the same. So we just set the position. It's basically. I think. Pretty much the standard terminal. Okay. We might have to move the line back as well, if the line is past it. I did that wrong. Right, stupid. Okay. No. Wait, what? Oh yeah, we can just set the position to 0. That works. Okay, yeah, because it's based on that. That's why they all called terminal emulator, right? It was because of the line, right? Maybe it looks like that, but what if we have multiple lines? Right, that does work. Okay. Yeah, so it does. Whoops. It's something weird. Oh yeah, I keep pressing control and quit. My bad. Ain't even easy. Yeah, the other ones will not be, well, the cutting one and pasting one probably will be pretty easy, but this one's going to be interesting. I'll find next to that one. W. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Guess I could have made them separate so it could close, but that's fine. Okay, W. I'll just comment that so I know. I need to add to the README the features that are currently complete so I can keep track of it. I can do that now. Yeah, so this, take everything after and just save it to a different buffer, and then, right, we'll need to look at how that works. exactly. It doesn't seem too difficult for those. I have to go in about a minute, so not in a minute. Environment variables, yeah. So I need to implement those. I mean the interface is pretty good now. Because the support for scrolling and all that stuff. So I need to the mouse wheel, right? Action scroller. Uh, that's not good. Why did it do that? Wait, it didn't do that before. Hmm, that could be a problem. Why is it like that? What happened? Because it did work. It did work. It worked at the start of the stream. I showed. What the heck happened? Is the pad broken? I don't know. I don't know what I did. Is this in the wrong place? No, I don't think so. That. Yeah. Is it this? No. What else did I do to change that? Uh, Still print to the buffer. That's the same. I didn't change this. I don't know. Now I am confused. This is the same. I didn't change that. I didn't change this. I didn't change how that's handled. Uh, yeah, I might have to fix this off stream. I don't know what happened. It did work, but now it doesn't. Height and width, that's right. Not sure. Yeah, I'll have to fix it off stream. So, let's see what is here? Yeah, that's fine. So that's gonna be about it for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.